Hello everyone. Thank you very much for attending our web seminar. I'm Yuki from MIYOSHI International Sales. In this part, we are going to explain our Delphinium varieties with our breeder Chisato. Firstly, we will introduce our new Delphinium variety called Cheer Blue, which is F1 spray type for pot and bedding plants. And some of you may have already known this variety won the Floral Select 2021 gold medal. And now it's receiving lots of attention. I'm going to show the short movie for this variety first. And in the video, Sato will explain this variety's basic characteristics and some points we need to focus on when we grow it. After the movie, we will have short Q&A session. That would be great if you can discuss about this variety there. Please watch our movie first.
Hi, I'm Chisato, a breeder at MIYOSHI in Japan. We are pleased to introduce our F1 Delphinium Cheer Blue, the gold medal winner 2021. Cheer Blue is quite a new item. It is a dwarf type and fits pot and bedding plants. The flower of Cheer Blue comes upwards, so you will see its beautiful face on the ground. This photo was taken in the early spring at our garden. Cheer Blue was sown last autumn. Then it grew over the winter. We bet you would like their gorgeous flowering, clear blue color, and a high demand of uniformity. We hope you enjoy our new variety F1 Delphinium Cheer Blue and the upcoming new varieties of this cheer series. Thank you!
Thank you very much for watching the movie. Now let's move on to the Q&A session, shall we? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, in this part, we will receive your questions and Sato will answer you. Firstly, please let us answer some questions we have received in advance. The first one, do you have any other dwarf delphinium varieties except Cheer Blue?
Yes. We have several open pollinated varieties and I'm going to introduce you with slides. For the blue color, we have mint blue. The color is a little bit darker than Cheer Blue. And Tiara blue, this one has white bee inside. Aqua blue, which is a light blue variety. The breezy color is attractive. We also have lavender, which is coal mint, and light pink variety, which is fantasy star, and pinkish white, milky mint. The last two varieties that are fantasy star and milky mint are middle flowering type.
Okay, thank you very much for your information. The seeds are all available, so if you would like to know the details, please feel free to ask us. The next one, what points should we pay attention to when we grow this delphinium?
Delphinium is not a summer flower and doesn't like heat at all. So please avoid the sowing in hot climates. The ideal germination temperature is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. And if it gets higher than 25 degrees Celsius, the germination rate will be low. So be careful about the sowing season. In Japan, we sow in October and then transplant in 9 centimeters pot in November. Then during winter, they slowly grow and to prepare for spring. Then usually, it depends on the temperature though, they start to bloom in the beginning of March.
Okay, thank you very much for your technical advice. The next one, what disease insects should we manage?
This is set to other flowers too, but spider mites might cause severe damage not only the leaves but also the flower. And powdery mildew should be noted. So before it gets worse, please take some measures like spraying pesticides to avoid the damage.
Okay, thank you very much. The next one. Could you please share your future varieties with us?
Sure. To add other colors to cheer series, we have light blue variety holding back. This would be cheer light blue. And I'm gonna tell you this only here, so don't miss it. We released Bijou series. This is world's first spray type delphinium that has double flowers. This is for cut flowers, by the way. Bijou, we have 3 different colors now. Bijou aquamarine, Bijou lavender sapphire, Bijou lapis lazuli. It's on the screen, so it might be hard to take the closer look. So if you want to know more about this Bijou series and also other dwarf delphinium, please ask Yuki, right?
Sure, yeah. You're really telling us the latest or secret varieties, aren't you? Okay, do we have any questions? Okay. We have got there some questions from the watcher. The next question is, how many days delphinium is grown in the tray? Do you have any idea, Sato?
It depends on the temperature, but usually it takes only 1 month to for the normal size tray plants.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you very much. Have we got any other questions? Okay, maybe no. Then it's almost time to close our Q&A session. The cheer blue in our field will bloom in this August and next month. And we hope we can show the movie or pictures through our website or Facebook later. Of course, we can receive your questions about our varieties anytime by emails. Please feel free to ask us. We are always happy to share our information and experience. Thank you very much. In the end, let us introduce our new company's slogan. This year is the 70th anniversary of the founded MIYOSHI Group, and we innovate our slogan, which is Innovate Beauty and Taste. And based on this slogan, we swear we always do our best to contribute you more and more through our flower and vegetable seeds and services. We would appreciate for your continued cooperation. Well, this brings us to the end of our seminar today. Thank you very much for your attendance. We hope our information will assist your floral business. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.